Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, and this is the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 12th of June 2016. So we've got AN up on the daily here. We can see that prices dropped quite heavily after a big gap right down to this blue line here, which is a demand that we looked at a while ago. This was back last year now, which is this one here. Price rallied up. We've got a rally base and then a rally. Price rallied strong out of that zone, and it's taken over a year to get back. That was what? That was around April 2015. It's now June 16. We've got a really strong move coming down. Not much to stop price if indeed it wants to rally up. And below that we've got another base, and below that there are clear green candles. So initially looking for a bounce. If we don't see confirmation of that, then we could have an engulf and maybe a trade down down to here. We shall see. But yeah, at the moment, potential longs. Okay, so other than that, let's look at EN. Okay, so we've got this base here, rally base, rally, price has touched it twice there. We've got a big drop coming back in as well. Price gap down into this zone. We've got nothing to stop price for a few hundred pips there. We could have a nice move up from here. So we just need to see evidence of that, or confirmation on the lower time frame. So that's what I'll be looking for this week. Now let's move on to pound yen. Okay, so this one's been taking its time to come down. I mentioned this one before. This one has made another move down at the end of last week. Okay, so we're just over 200 pips away roughly. Now if I scroll across, you'll see where that level is, which is just about here. So we've had one touch already. I've mentioned this level before, but price hasn't come back to it yet. It keeps on rallying up first, but we are pretty close. So that's what we're looking at on pound yen, a potential long from that demand level if price continues to fall with those red candles. Okay, sticking with the pound, let's look at GU. Also had some heavy drops towards the end of last week. Big candle there. This is the next demand level, if you like. We've got this area here, so price could actually bounce from here, but in terms of putting demand on the daily, we'd be looking at this one down here. Price is still a good distance away, so we shall see what happens. Let me just recap over EU, because I mentioned that one last week. So I mentioned that we've got supply here, and you can see that price fell away. We've got demand below, so price will probably go down and hit that. Just drop down so you can see what happened. This was the demand level standing in the way of the price falling down. That was tested a few times. Beyond that, nothing but profit potential, green candle, nothing to stop price falling. So when that was engulfed, price rallied back up, right back up to around here, and then you can see that price began to fall away. So there is an opportunity to get in there. Okay, so those are the main pairs I'm watching on the daily. On daily levels, so that's AN, EN, GJ, and GU. So until next time, happy trading, guys.